कांग्रेस महासचिव केसी वेणुगोपाल का कहना है मोहन भागवत का बयान काफी देश विरोधी है। आप जानते हैं कि भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में हजारों भारतीयों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी। मोहन भागवत ने कल कहा था कि भारत को 1947 में आजादी नहीं मिली थी। उन्होंने शहीदों का अपमान किया है। महात्मा गांधी सहित भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम यह एक राष्ट्र विरोधी बयान था। राहुल गांधी ने इस मुद्दे पर बीजेपी आरएसएस नेताओं की कोई भूमिका नहीं थी। लोगों को देश की
that actually Mohan Bhagwat's statement is quite anti-national. You know, thousands of Indians sacrificed their lives for the Indian freedom struggle, and we got freedom, and we have our own constitution on 1947 onwards. What yesterday Mohan Bhagwat is told that we didn't got independence 1947. Or actually he is insulting the martyrs of Indian freedom struggle. Mohan Bhagwat ji insulted the martyrs of Indian freedom struggle, including Mahatma Gandhi. That is national? That is a clear-cut anti-national statement. Rahul Gandhi attacked that sentiments because the Indian freedom movement was one of the biggest movement in the world, peaceful movement in the world. That's why we got freedom of this country. These people are telling that point out we didn't got freedom because they didn't participate in any freedom struggle. They have no role for freedom struggle. RSS or BJP leaders didn't have any role for freedom struggle. That is why they didn't want to accept the freedom struggle. They didn't want to accept that India got freedom 1947. Who bother about all these things? This is a clear anti-national. Rahul Gandhi correctly told these things into the people of India. I think this is a general sentiment of Indian people which Rahul Gandhi shared today.
But he's categorically saying that Rahul Gandhi is supporting urban Naxal.
That's what I'm telling, brother.
State people, and at the same time he has said that he is clearly saying that he is fighting against the nation.
Well, that's what I am telling you. Who fighting against the nation is not. Everybody know that. Yesterday, Mohan Bhagwat's statement is very clear that that people is stating about the Indian national, stating they are against the Indian nationalism. Not Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi criticized their anti-national act. Once Rahul Gandhi is criticizing their anti-national act, it is quite interesting things that they are telling Rahul Gandhi is supporting urban Naxal. They didn't have anything to say. We are going to take all this issue to the people of this country because we cannot accept this statement at all. This is totally an insult to the Indian community, Indian people, and the martyrs of Indian freedom struggle. So we are not going to accept it at all. Certainly.
So one last question, sir. Akhilesh Yadav ji is saying that in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party is a bigger party. Congress party should see this thing that it was decided that this party which is strong.
Brother, we are respecting the sentiments of all Indian alliance parties, but they should also to be understand that Indian National Congress is sacrificing so many things for the India alliance. Now we are also fighting as a political party in Delhi. Our fight is very clear, strong, that you people will know about after the results, where the Congress party stand is there.
And there will be, Kharge ji said that new party offices will be set up in Karnataka and all over the India where the building is not there.